Hi guys, today I'm making a video about my jungle in the background over here, and I'm just going to get my trowel to move my grape. And you guys, the admin of the game yesterday when the update was here, it was insane. He said there was over 20 million players active in Canada. And I'm going to give away fruits, big fruits like my pepper, like this pepper. Let me just get it. Where is it? 20 kg one, like this one. Gonna give peppers away like that one, and give another stuff like ember lilies, beanstalks, bananas, sugar apples, grapes, cacaos, pineapples, dragon fruits, mangoes, bell peppers, and what do I miss? Oh, and guys, I'm going to tell you guys how much, and kiwis. I'm going to tell you guys how much of what I have. And I have one ice fruit. I have 3 peppers, 3 pineapples, 1 avocado, 1 eye fruit, 2 bananas, 3 green apples, I think. Yes, 2 kiwis, 3 beanstalks, 2 dragon fruits, 4 cacaos, 2 ember lilies. And that's all. Goodbye guys. I hope you, and to enter, just like and subscribe and comment your Roblox name. Bye guys.